camera is here, and but I had to be over there. Yeah, I had a class actually, no, over there. So I was supposed to be over there, but actually I forgot. I actually found the camera in front of me, so I decided, to teach, here only. Okay, students, I would like to tell you one thing. The problem is this, most of the students, want to speak English language, but there is a issue with them. They are afraid of this. Okay, they actually they feel that they are not able to speak English. But please believe me, students, you are able to do. You are able to do whatever you feel like to do in times to come. English is just a language, yeah. Okay, you don't need to, give your 100% at least, but you are able to give your 50 and 40% out of 100. Okay, if you give your 50% out of 100 now, so definitely your English will be good in times to come. You will be fluent. Yeah, definitely you will be fluent. This is what actually I have done. I have faced a lot of things. I have gone through thick and thin. Then, it's a very tough for me. It's been tough for me, but today, see, I'm able to speak English, and you are listening me while speaking English. See, at the same point of time, I'm speaking English language, and you at the same point of time you are hearing me. Okay, so it's a different thing, but actually I don't want you. No, actually I don't want. I'm not. I'm not interested to make you feel low. Okay, in fact, exactly the opposite. I want to encourage you. Okay, so please just keep it in your mind and be happy. And time, that the time is flying, so you have to take the advantage of time. Don't spend your time in your in rubbish things, and doing something rubbish. So please use your time, be useful. Okay, and definitely you can be able to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so now let's get started, because it's a class, so I have decided to teach you something. Okay, so about to is a perfect, I think, for this for the situation. Actually, the about to is a it's a perfect, you can say that it's a perfect topic for me to teach you right now, because most of the students actually don't know where to use about to at the same, at a very moment, actually most of the students actually most of the student actually must be knowing, would be knowing this, would be knowing about to already, but most of you, the rest of the people and most of you are not aware of this. Okay, so it's going to be typical, but at the same point of time it's going to be easy for you. Okay, na? So you don't need to do anything, but you just need to focus on it. Okay, so about to, what is about to? It's a use. Where to use it? The question is where to use it. If it's a use, so where to use it? Where to use it? Okay, so I will tell you. So about to means something have to be done. Something has to be done. Sorry, have to, no, it's a has to, because it's a singular. Something has to be done. Something has to be done, but not right away. Okay, yeah, actually this is the rule. You have to do something, but later on. Okay, about to shows that whatever you have to do, you have to do later on. Okay, means you don't have authority, you can't do it in your current moment. Okay, suppose that I'm just telling, suppose I have a sentence, because with the help of sentence actually I will teach you in a better way. I will teach you better. So I am reading. It means you are reading right away. Means you can say that I am reading right now. Suppose that I am just standing in front of you, I am just making a video. At the same point of time, you all are hearing me, and I am just explaining about this topic. So about to means about to. It's a something. Yeah, we will talk it later on. Okay, na? Just get to this sentence. I am ready means I am ready means I am just working. I am engaged in study. I am engaged in reading. Means in a current situation, what is my current situation? In my current situation, I am just studying right now. I am just reading right now. Okay, but what if I write it like that? I am about to read. And can you tell me? Yeah, now the meaning changed. Really. Now, in this situation, you are doing the work in your present moment, but according to the second sentence, according to your second sentence, about to, because about to is used here, so according to your second sentence, you have to do, you are just going to do, you are just going to fulfill, you are just going to complete your task, later on. You are ready to do, but you are not doing actually. This is the minor difference between doing something in your current minor, you can say minor difference, between reading means continuity, and about to shows that you are ready to do something, and continuity shows that actually you are already engaged in doing something. Okay, so once again, let me take another sentence. Okay, Mahesh will go to school. Go to school means Mahesh is a boy and he's not ready. He want to stay at home, but his mother actually came to him and started giving him slap. Why you are not ready to go to your home? That's because Mahesh had to go to school. So now at the same point of time, actually, Mahesh's his father came and asked him, why actually, where is Ramesh? Oh, sorry, Mahesh. So mom said, Mahesh's mom said, Mohan is about to go to school. What her mom said? Her mom said, Mohan is about Mahesh is, sorry, I'm just telling Mohan, actually, exact it is written here, Mahesh, sorry, it's all happening, actually I forgot, the name, Mahesh, Mahesh is about to go. Actually, this is the reply of his mother. Mahesh is about to go. It means go. Mahesh is ready to go. Okay, na? Mahesh is ready to go because just few months ago, Mahesh is not ready to go to school, but her mom strictly behaved him and made him to go to school. So now Mahesh is ready to go to school. So you can say about. So Mahesh is about to go means Mahesh about to show that now Mahesh is ready to do something. Okay, Mahesh is ready to go to school. Mahesh is about to go to school means the something is going to happen. Something is not happening. The current thing, going to school. Mahesh is going to school. But Mahesh is not going to school. Means Mahesh is not doing something. Mahesh is not doing this activity in the current moment. Mahesh is ready to this. Mahesh is ready to go to school later on. Okay, after a while. Okay, after 2 minutes, after 3 minutes, he is ready to leave his house, but not in a current moment. Okay, now after a while, he will leave his house. Got it or not? Okay, it's very hard. Yeah, it's getting cold. See, actually, I am just teaching you right now into my room, in my classroom, but still, the windows are open. the windows are open. That's why the winds, and that's why we can say that it's a windy moment, it's a windy cold moment. So I'm just shivering, and somehow actually I'm just managing to teach you. So it's very hard for a teacher, but still actually I'm just trying to give my 100%. So I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so really it's very heat, it's very cold right now. So I have this another sentence here. Oh, okay. Ram is about to sleep. Sleep means Ram is not sleeping. Ram is going to do. Ram is ready to sleep. So this task will happen after a while. Okay. In current situation, Ramesh is Ramesh is engaged in doing something different, task. But later on, after a while, Ram will go to go to go to sleep. Okay, yeah, you can say Ram will go to bed. Okay, no, yeah. And the fourth one, Ram and Shyam are no, it's not a perfect, it's not a perfect sentence. I need, I want to take a, I want to take a hard sentence, so that I can, so I can, I can make you to stuck, so that you can spend your time, in thinking. You spend your bit of, you spend some time, in thinking. So the second one is Priya. Okay, it's a Priya. Okay, Priya is about to dance, but she is scared of it. Scared of it. Once again, see, just get to the sentence once again. Priya is about to dance, but she is scared of it. Yeah, of course. Priya is about to dance means dancing. Priya will dance, but later on. Okay, means you can say that this task is going to happen, after a while. But the condition is she is scared of it. Means you can say that dancing is the biggest challenging. The dancing is challenging. It's a challenging for her. That's why she is scared. She is scared of it. Okay, na? She is not ready to dance, but still she was pushing herself. No, actually I can do. This is what actually my friends, actually I told just I started teaching you. Really, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, na? So be serious. Always try to push yourself ahead. Really, believe me. Of course you can do. Don't feel that yeah, I can't because I'm lacking confidence. Stop thinking all of that. Definitely you can do. Okay, of course you can do. No, see, this is what actually this is actually what this is the same is is happening with Priya. Priya is about to dance. Priya is ready to dance. This task is going to happen later on, but Priya is fully scared of it. But still, this sentence actually, the second part of the sentence is telling us that Priya is about to dance. So once again, I would like to repeat here, about to shows that something is going to happen. Something is going to happen next. Okay, so it's all about to. So I hope you must have enjoyed your class, and definitely I will come once again. I will come once again with my next class. Okay, na? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Love to all. Okay, so please don't forget to support me. Yeah, definitely I will teach you once again later on. Okay, not later on. Okay, I will teach you tomorrow at the same point at a very moment. Okay, now, so don't forget to join me. Okay, so love you all once again. Thank you very much. Thank you.